Hello everyone, leave a little strip of hair on the either side, then make a ponytail out of the remaining section of the hair and create a loop on your top section on the left side and attach it on the right side. Then to decorate it even more further, drop in a similar hairpin on the side by grabbing another loop on the hair. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and with the last loop of the rubber attach the tail to it and loosen the rubber further down and create a gap using your finger. Drop the entire lump into it and have it secure by dropping a little rubber onto it and dropping your favorite fluffy hairband right on top of that, decorating even more further. Choose lovely colors depending on your fashion choice. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair once again and create a gap behind it using your finger horizontally and drop the tail into it, making it come from right to left and tighten a little bit and have a rubber attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle while using your finger and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Then after that with the tail we have, drop it inside the loop first created, then have it come down and have the excess tip drop into the loop, hiding the gap. Then after that secure the hole in place. Grab your hair from the bottom and have it split them into 3 parts and braid it. Continuously cross the first 2 one and cross the middle one into 2 and cross the cornered ones. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the ends secure with the rubber band. Then fold the braid to the half and make it to the top right and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin on the side. Then you can decorate even more further by dropping another hairpin. Out of your lovely hair, make a super braid and have it roll to the top by folding it twice. Then after that, stretch the braid for more volume and making it flat. Then drop in a very beautiful hairpin on top of the braid and have it secured there. Fold your buns 180 degrees to the right and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin attached from the rubber band on the left side and secure on the right. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and bend it even more downward by having a little hairpin to the rubber band securing further. Then extend the bun for a little volume. Make a bunch out of your gorgeous hair and with the last loop of the rubber band, create a lump at the bottom. Then with another loop of the rubber band, move the tail to the left side and have it secured there by twisting it. And also adjust the brushy hair at the end as well. Out of your gorgeous hair, create a ponytail and loosen the rubber band a little bit and create a gap behind it using your finger and drop the entire tail into it. Don't make it come down but have it stuffed completely inside. Then close the gap by combing your hair and have a very beautiful hair clutcher attached on top of it, decorating even more further. Make a ponytail and twist it completely and roll it in a clockwise direction and hide the tip completely underneath the bun we just now created. Then have it in place by dropping a lovely hair clutcher behind the bun. Choose several colors depending on your fashion choice. Hold your bunch on top and extend the rubber band and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom and secure it on the opposite direction completely. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more downwards by having a little hairpin. Extend the bun for volume. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the middle part and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher. Thank you everyone for watching this video.